Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video from Speed Dev Station. We are going to learn about web development using Django Framework in Python. So, what is Django? Django is a web development framework which makes you able to develop web applications and websites like Amazon, eBay and more, fastly with more security. We know that we can build websites using HTML, CSS and JavaScript in front end, but what about the back end? For that, we are using Django as MVT or model view template. This video includes 3 steps: install Python and pip command in the system, install an IDE, so we are going to use PyCharm IDE, and finally set up the Django framework and create our first project. So let's get started. Python is already installed in my machine, but I will show you how to do that. So just open any browser and go to the Python official website and download it. After it's downloaded, double click on it and follow the step to set up Python. Enable the path to install Python automatically in your machine. When it's finished, open the terminal or command prompt and let's check out the version of Python by typing Python open version. I have Python 3.7.3. Also let's check the pip command version by typing pip open version. After installing Python and pip command, let's install our IDE PyCharm. So just open the browser and go to the official JetBrains website. Click on download. It's free, but if you want to use the professional version, you should pay for it. For now, we will use the free version. So download it and install it in simple steps. In my machine, I have already installed the PyCharm IDE. So, when you finish installing, just double click on it. Create a new project. Let's name it Try Django. Create. Open the terminal in down and let's create a virtual environment by typing pip install virtual env wrapper open to activate the virtual environment. After that, type pip install Django to install Django Framework. It will take some time. Also, the SQL part and PyTZ package will be installed. You see, Django installed successfully. Now type Django open admin, start project, and the name of the project. Let's name it demo to create a new project. Enter to the demo folder or type cd demo and type Python manage.py run server. This will return an IP address. Click on it so you can see the Django home page. Congratulations! You create your first Django project.